Hello everybody, it's Tactical Trash Panda once again. I just got a package from Brownells, so wanted to do a quick unpackaging video live, no scripts, nothing. So let's get to it. Of course I had to cover up the address, but let's do this real quick. What's in here? I think I know what it is. Just wanted to share it with you guys. So what can it be? What can it be? I knew it. I knew it. So I had ordered this, guys. I ordered this Streamlight finally because I was getting a whole lot of flack for the other EDC light that I was, well, not the EDC, but the weapon mounted light that I was using. But that's not why exactly I ordered this. I ordered it just for durability, and I got another purpose for it. I'll let you guys see in a moment. So let's open this thing up. Shout out to Brownells, guys. Proud BOP member. And, oh, there you go. That's my patch. If any of you guys want that, let me know. I will link a description to my Instagram page in this video, and then you can contact me on Instagram and we can get you settled right away for a patch. So here we go, the TLR1HL. I could already tell just holding it that feels like a nice quality light. I know a lot of people use these. A lot of true like gun enthusiasts and specialists, they use these. I don't know how to open this up right now. I'm going to do it off camera. So you see it comes with a Glock rail, and I need it for a pick rail, but okay, those are different attachments. I'm guessing for Glock, Smith & Wesson, 1913. That's the 1913 is the one that I need. Comes for a special SIG P320 and a couple different mounts. So I'm gonna be putting this thing. So here we go. It is clear, guys, so don't worry. As you guys can tell, this was my old light. I'm gonna swap this thing out, and this one is gonna go on here. Oh, broke my nail. Whatever. Shit happens. But yeah, man, we're gonna put this thing right here. I gotta unscrew it. Sorry guys. Ooh. So there you go. You guys are the first to see this bad boy with the TLR1HL. I will take it off, put the right rail on there, and put the batteries in there, but I had a special surprise. As you guys can see, I got an HCM Holsters patch over here. Make sure to check them out, because today, what day is it today? Today is July 24th, and it is Saturday. Tonight on Instagram Live, I am going to be hosting a draw for HCM 7-Day Palooza. If you don't know, HCM Holsters is launching their website this Monday. So that would be, today's Saturday, that's going to be on the 26th, 27th of July. Now, once they launch their website, you can order from them. But for 7 days prior to that, today is day 6, they've been doing drawings for prizes. I will link the link to how to do it in my bio. So I got a couple of their products already. And check out this quality holster right here. The inside the waistband holster. This thing is seriously awesome. Quality gear. This thing is meant for your everyday carry. A lot of military guys and law enforcement, civilian contractors. But guys, check out HCM. I will have them on my Instagram page, and check out this outside the waistband holster, man. The drop leg. They even laser engraved my logo on there. Man, this has become my favorite holster so far. And this is exactly why I needed to get the TLR 1HL, because that's how I ordered it from them. I was like, I knew I wanted this light, and I was like, guys, make me a weapon mounted light holster for the TLR HL1. So let's check it out. I haven't messed with the retention yet because, as you see, I just opened this thing. Whew, man, that thing is nice. I'm gonna tighten it a little bit more, but so far, man, this thing, I am loving it. Man, quality gear. All right, guys, that's it for today. See you on Instagram Live tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern. Take care, everybody.